All right, Wildcats and Wolverines, this is your grammar review, language review for Monday, which is today. So let's make sure we make our corrections on our papers. We will have a quiz this Friday, okay, guys? So the first one says, place a check by complete sentences, place an X by incomplete sentences. Today is the first day of school. Capital letter, punctuation, perfect. So happy to be here today. And you're probably asking yourself, who is saying that? The subject. Who is so happy? We are so happy. Okay, so that is not a correct sentence. I packed a great lunch to bring on my first day. Who did it? I did it. What did I do? I packed. Had a complete sentence with a period at the end? Yes. Number 4. The best day ever to begin 4th grade. Well, there are 7 days of the week. You need to be specific on what day is the best day. So no, that one is incorrect. Okay, so check X, check X. Over here, it says to circle the nouns, underline the verbs. Some of the words could be both. Okay, so let's see. A book is a thing. To learn is an action. Scissors are things. Music is a thing. Okay, a backpack is a thing. But some of you might say the word, well, we're going to backpack across Europe. So I could see how you could see how that would be a verb too. Your friends are people. You're marking your paper. That is an action. You're singing. When you sing in music, that's an action. The newsletter we get from our school, that's a thing. To teach you to do something is an action. The desk you sit at, that is a thing. Whenever you read, that is an action. The shine from the sun, that is a noun. But if you say, I shine when I sing, then that is a verb. So that one could go both ways. Your teacher, me, I would be a person, so I'm a noun. Recess is a thing. Whenever we say the Pledge of Allegiance, we pledge, that's a verb, but the pledge itself, the actual written pledge, is a thing. Okay? So you have some of these that can be both nouns and verbs, and then you have some that are just a person, place, thing, or idea, which is a noun, or a verb, which is an action. Okay? All right, for your sentence, you're going to rewrite the sentence correctly. You're going to compact your letters on the lines and write neatly. Okay? So it says, my grandma bought me some school supplies at Walmart. Well, you always want to capitalize the beginning of your sentence. You always want to add punctuation at the end. And then you want to capitalize proper nouns. Walmart is an actual store. Okay? So my grandma bought, and also check spelling, bought me some school supplies at Walmart. Perfect. So then, guys, you're going to take your pencil and we're going to rewrite it. And if you're doing this on the computer, you can type it, that's fine. Just make your corrections. So my grandma bought me some school supplies at Walmart. Guys, this is just something you can do after you've made all your corrections. You can go back and just double check and just make sure that you actually did make your changes in your final sentence. This is just a great way to be proactive and just to make sure that you really did everything you needed, okay? Then the next one says, circle the words that are spelled correctly. And if you notice, this week we're looking at double consonants. Consonant is any letter that is not a vowel. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. So you're looking for double consonants. So here we have middle, sudden, yellow, zipper, and cuddle. Okay, so you've got those double letters in the middle. Okay, so middle, sudden, yellow, zipper, cuddle. The rest of them needed to have the double letter, the double consonant, and so that was not there for those. Then your last one says, my favorite book is Afternoon on the Amazon. What change is needed, if any? Well, guys, we're going to actually start reading a brand new book this week called The Tiger Rising. And if you look at the title, it is very obvious that you capitalize the beginning letter of each word. So if you look over here at the way that they wrote it, they did not capitalize afternoon on the Amazon, okay? And some of us may already know this, but whenever you have little words that are similar to prepositions and articles that are inside of the title, when they're small words like those, you don't have to capitalize those. But if we had the word a at the beginning, like a or an afternoon on the Amazon, you would capitalize the beginning. But because they're in the middle, they can actually stay lowercase. So that would make this one incorrect because they capitalized it. That is random because only one was capitalized. But here you can see the two at the front and the end were, and then the ones in the middle were not. So the best answer would be C. Okay? So guys, make sure you make your corrections on your paper.